Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to try and program a key for a Hyundai I40. As you can see, this is the new key. There's nothing happening now. I got a cut in the locksmiths, so I did. So we're going to see special function, and the original key is in the car. So we've got the key functions, agree. So we have to look for Hyundai. Identify vehicle by VIN, authorizing security code. Program keys. Insert a key to be programmed. Turn on ignition. So this is the original key, and this is the one to be programmed. 6-digit code 082133. Okay. Okay, program success. Turn ignition off, wait 10 seconds and turn ignition on and press OK to continue. 2, 3. Turn ignition on. Programming complete. Okay. So let's see, does this start the car? Well, as you can see, it starts the car. Now, one thing I did notice is it doesn't lock the car. Okay, so maybe there's more programming to be done. Okay, try the original. That's the original now, not the new one. Just want to make sure that's okay. Ah, I see what happens here. Program key, insert key to be programmed. So it deletes the other key. Programming complete. Okay, so that's the original. This is the new one. Okay, now. Now, see, can I program the remote? Program failed. Can't seem to figure out the works on the original key, but the spare key, nothing. But it does start the engine. Just want to make sure the original one starts it again. Yeah. So I think in this new one there might be a chip issue. So I'm wondering. Okay, I know what's wrong here. It's the wrong chip to work for the key, but the immobiliser program, no problem. I'll have to email Xtool and see what kind of reply I get. I think I may have the wrong key, but at least as a secondary backup, it starts the car and it will open the car via the key. Okay, thanks for watching. If this video was anyway helpful to you, please give it a like and subscribe. And I'll do a follow-up video when I can figure out the remote buttons.